Welcome back to the channel, more so for me because I've been absent. It's been quite a while since I have uploaded last. I've just been super busy with work, the house, Spencer. If you didn't know, Spencer, check out the last video. I'm a dad. He literally just turned 1 the other week, which is insane. It's been a year of being a dad, which is completely mind-blowing, gone by so fast, so amazing. He's the best. Julie is the best. It's great. But today, I am going on a hike to a secret waterfall, which is great. One I've never been to before, which I'm super excited about. Group of people I'm going with, super great people. So it should be an exciting adventure. I love waterfalls, as you know. I love hikes. I love the outdoors. I love slow motion filmmaking, as you also know. So we're gonna crank that GoPro, get it up to some nice, smooth, silky slow-mo, and see what sort of footage we can get out there. It's supposed to be some showers, so that'll be fun. Out in the jungle when it's sprinkling on the leaves and the water, whatever. So that will be fun. I'm looking forward to that. Took us 2 hours, but we made it. Everyone's getting the gear out now. Getting the camera out. I'm not exactly sure how to get up there either. It'll look like you can climb up behind it, but I don't know if I'll do that.
Hey you! Don't watch that! Watch this! This is the heavy monster sound, the nuttiest sound around. So if you coming up the street and you're beginning to feel the heat, well listen buster, you better start to move your feet to the rockinest, rock steady beat of madness.